Look at the handsome looking sweater. That looks good.
It's a good color on him. And then his hood that he loves so much.
Maybe not so much, huh, Levi? And then Pugsley, let's see Pugsley.
Come on, Pugsley. Give us a smile.
Oh God, he looks so unhappy.
Maybe if you were prancing around, you'd feel better.
Oh, how cute are you, Pugs?
What if I bribe you?
How cute are you?
What if I bribe you guys, huh?
Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa Nelson.
Oh no, right here on the video.
Here. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa Nelson.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa Nelson.
I'm sending this video to them.
Oh, Levi. Come on. Show them what you can do.
Oh, yes, like this. They look cute with the little sweaters on.
You ready to try to catch it? Ready? No, back up. Ready? Oh, come on, Levi. You can do it. One time for the video camera. Yay!
Good boy, Levi.
Levi, don't you even think of it. I know I have to protect Pugsley from Levi. Come here. Pugsley.
Ah!
Woo! That was pretty good.
Oh.
Levi, I'm so proud of you for catching things in midair.
That's
Wow.
awesome. He's like effortless now.
Yeah. You ready? One more. Wow.
Oh,
Just a little one. Oh, that one just landed on you. All right, Pugsley. One more big one for you. You ready? Come on. Don't you forget what it smells like? Okay, up here. Come on. Oh. That's all right. Still yours. And Levi? No, back up. Good boy. Oh. I might have been a little too far. Levi. That's it, guys.
Oh.